good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all see, it's nighttime. Well, I'm in the garage. I ain't let the garage door up yet, cause it be all type of creatures out there. And when I leave at night, hey, I don't let the garage up until I'm about to exit. Nah, but for real, it's nighttime, man. I'm about to head over to the shop. We're gonna go mess with Dolo tonight. Get a little something done or whatever. We're gonna see what we can get done, man. The plan is power steering pump, spark plug wires, and at least mount the car. And try to do that, adjust the choke so the choke start closing, cause we cannot let that choke close, man. If that choke closes, let's say in the middle of a nitrous pull, boy, it's gonna be ugly. It's gonna be ugly. So that's the plan, man. So I'm about to I ain't about to hold this intro, cause like I said, it's nighttime. I'm about to get over to the shop, and we're gonna see what we get done to Dolo, man, and try to wrap this thing up this week. So I catch y'all at shop. Alright, so we checking in. So today the plan is, like I said, we're getting the wire swapped over, getting this thing done before the weekend. Cause like I said, I'm gonna take it to the house. And then, well, we're going to get to the dyno before I leave, get alignment, then take it to the house. So, that's why we're trying to wrap it up. But Unc got to get up early, so we're going to hold off on the power steering pump, cause sometimes you got to drill the hole out. If it threaded, it tell you in the instruction too, you got to drill it out, cause the bolt it take for the kit, it goes straight through. So, I told him, let's just hold up on that, cause, you know, you got to get up so early, and that junk come up fast. But, so we doing something. So we're getting the wire switched over, and what else? What we said? Oh, we're gonna fix this, cause that'll cause some problems. The choke, we're gonna get that, cause y'all know it closing on the wide open throttle. If we on the dyno or we on some nitro and that close, I'm gonna need an engine. We're gonna need an engine, so that's real important right there. So we're gonna take care of that tonight, so we don't forget. And like I said, the wires and the car, and they're gonna be just quick stuff. Then Unc will come here tomorrow and he gonna do that. Have more time. Alright, we checking in, y'all. So Unc got the wire swapped over. The car wire, I need a car wire. If y'all good people got one laying around,
gotta be long. It need to be long.
They want to send it to me, a 8.5 millimeter black wire. I want preferably MSD. I'm trying to keep from having to buy one wire. We can change the ends on it, or old MS. It can be an old MSD wire. It need to be long enough, about that long, and we can change the ends on it, make it fit the coil or whatever. Cause you know the coil wire short. I don't have no space to mount on the firewall. So if anybody got one, I mean it's not dire need, but if anybody got one, I will buy it. I pay shipping. You know, like I said, y'all see my wires. That as long as it's MSD. Black wire and a 8.5, not an 8 millimeter. That's what I just took out the street fire wires. So 8.5 millimeter. That'll work. We'll change the ends over, and I'll just pay you for it, pay shipping if anybody got it. So if not, like I said, I'll let that video run.
And if you're standing in the summer, get me one break.
He said standing in the summer break. Yeah, so like I said, man, I just check the comments. If y'all don't, I'll just order one. Say it ain't dire need, we got it hooked up, but you know, we don't want no red wire laying out there. We're gonna loom all this up. I know people, some probably looking. We're gonna finish looming this stuff up, so it's gonna be neat. You know, we're gonna do it right. People probably wondering too, cause I got asked at the track for why I went with rubber hose instead of braided line. The reason I did, and yeah, I know some tracks strict with tech, they won't let you go out there with this. But the tracks I run at, they're not strict with tech. I'm not worried about that. So, but the reason I went for this is it was planned. I wanted to go for a subtle look. So you know, it pretty much, you see braided line, you immediately think, hey, this thing here is, hey, you go looking for plates and stuff. I done had somebody look at this car and didn't even realize nitrous was on it because of the lines. The line throw you off. And the plate, seeing back there, like you looking at everything else, it throw their attention away. Now if you saw a big braided line running up through here, you're gonna be like, hey, what's going on? Now the only stuff that give it away for a person that know their stuff, the two regulators, and I got a fuel cell over here. But I just went for, like I said, a subtle look. That's why I went for rubber hoses. I chose to do it like that. Now, if I do change this engine, if I ever change the engine and put a real one in here, a real small block, which I ain't gonna lie, I was planning on doing that. I was gonna build an aftermarket small block and put it in here. If I do that, I will be going with braided lines in. Everything will be braided, the fuel line will be bigger, all of this stuff. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. Like I said, people been asking, is the car for sale? Not right now. I may sell the car next year. Like I said, either with this engine, if it don't sell fast enough, I'm gonna build a real engine and I might play around with it, do a second segment, an engine that makes some real horsepower, and then I may sell it, and the price of course gonna go up, cause if I change the engine, it's probably gonna be a $7,000 or $8,000 engine in here. Engine alone, I mean parts. So the price definitely go up. Still be streetable engine, but you know, pump gas friendly. But the price will go up. So, and I can say this though, if I do sell the car, when I get finished with it and it's for sale, it definitely will be over 10 grand. But y'all know how much I got in this car already, cause I showed y'all step by step what I've done to it. It's 14 and some change in this car, but I'm missing some stuff. But I know for a fact it's 14. But I done bought some more stuff, so it's really probably 15. I haven't added the receipts in, so it's probably about 15 grand in parts. I'm not counting labor. You don't get labor costs back. You just gotta take the L on that. But I know it don't look the best, but the thing with me, it's a lot of money in this right here. A lot of people go cosmetic, big money in that, but we ain't even got right here yet. We ain't started cosmetic stuff. It's all in the car and drivetrain and all that. It's about 15 grand. So of course, y'all know I'm gonna want some money for it. So you know, I ain't trying to get it all out of it. So when it do go for sale, y'all know though. Y'all will know. But just stay tuned. We wrapping it up. We're gonna crank it up and then we're gonna close it out. Stay tuned. Getting everything straight and all that. So yep, we wrapping up on Dolo.
Wrapping up on Dolo. Monte Carlo got a tank coming. Gonna put the Monte Carlo back together. Got to get it back running. Waiting on the spring for the Monte Carlo. Camaro got new wheels. Got to change it all over. Got it all wide. Got to put a knocker kit on the Mustang.
Yeah, that car running.
Mustang lines on it. Got to do a seat in it. Got to change the axle and put the turbo back on Dolo. And
good to go.
Got a little track somewhere.
Oh yeah, he rolling. Like I said, this one, Chris came with this one right here. About to be. He might be done that week. Yeah. He really.
Camaro, I'm gonna try to finish up Camaro next week too, bro.
D2.
This weekend I'm gonna work on it, and then I'm gonna try to them two probably be gone.
Yeah, D2.
I went on UPS with the fuel tank for that, and it's really done.
Yeah.
One for the fuel tank, it'll be done.
So he waiting on the gas tank.
And that one I took the part, put that together, got to get it back running and see what happens.
Right. So everything works.
And of course, my old Dolo over here. Oh, let me say this too. Cause everybody look at this video. Cool. I'm gonna get through with your car, man. Just quit calling me.
Hey, wait, who you talking about, man? Who you talking about?
Chris, man.
Oh, Chris. Hey, he said he gonna get finished with your box Chevy.
Hey, I'm fixing your box Chevy, man. Quit calling me.
Yeah.
Love you to death, Chris, but I gotta get it done.
Yo, man, he working on everything, y'all. Like I said, y'all know me. I'm trying to make these races, man. And I got sponsors on this car. For people that watching for real, everybody want their stuff. They true enough. He working as fast as he can. I got sponsors. This what I do for a living, y'all. That be my thing. I don't want nobody, but man, he's so. Some people have said he's so favoritism. Hey, man, I pay like I weigh sometimes. Like I ain't trying to knock nobody out the box, but I'm like this really how I make my living. I do this every day. This how I make my living, like a job. It really like a job. So that's why I help too, y'all. Like I don't come get my stuff. When I see he backed up, I come get it and be like, let me take a load I'll call. He ain't finna just jump me in front of people. He don't do that. I have to be a dire need, like, all right, can we do this in and out? So that's why I take it home, cause somebody was like, why you take your car home? I took it home to help, cause I can put the motor in. I know how to do all this stuff, so yep, I help out when I can, y'all.
Hey, I got one question. Who taught y'all to do all that stuff?
Oh yeah, hey, hey, Aunt taught me everything for real.
Who got y'all all them troubles you was in?
Hey, everything, taught me every single thing for real.
And I'm gonna tell you another thing, Jake. I don't mind teaching somebody else. If you bring your car, you want to help me work on it, it's fine. But like Quint come over here and do stuff on their own car. You know, he said, I come help you out, and it's cool. If you don't know, I could, you know.
Yeah, he do.
I'll show you, teach you, you know. And with Josh, my airplane mechanic.
Oh yeah.
He gonna be great, y'all. Y'all gonna see Josh.
Yeah, Josh, right, man. Y'all saw Josh on one of the vlog, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, he do, man. He come down here, can't come and help and all that. I'm like, hey, man, if you know some stuff, you know, sometimes I don't mind. So you come down here, turn some wrenches on your stuff, and all good. So, yep, that's it. Oh well, we're gonna crank this thing up for y'all one more time. Let y'all hear. Since we got everything rewired, like I said, number 8 wire went in all the way on there, y'all. This cold start action for y'all, kids from the back. I gotta figure out them brake light too, y'all. I saw y'all in the comment. I don't know what's going on the brake light, man. I'm gonna figure them out though. We got to have those. Right up. Drop of the key. Alright, so we good to go.
That thing might be nice right there.
Oh yeah, smelling good in here, y'all. So yeah, that's it for tonight. So yeah, that's it, man. Appreciate everybody. Catch y'all next. I'm out.